Good morning! Today I'm gonna do a what I eat in a day video. It was highly requested on my Instagram, and so I want to just show you what a dietitian eats in a day. So I hope you like it. Let's eat! I was so excited to film this video, I almost forgot the most important part of the day. Coffee! I don't usually snack between meals, but my daughter and I are headed to the library right now. Whenever I'm out and about running errands, I always just pack snacks just in case, because there's nothing worse than being out and about and getting hungry and then you're stuck kind of buying crappy food. So I packed myself a cheese string to go along with my daughter's cheese string and the rest of her snack. So we're back from the library and someone ate my cheese string. So I'm actually fairly hungry. It's 11:30, so we're gonna start making lunch. It's technically our Friday today, and that means that we don't usually eat leftovers on the weekend. So I'm gonna eat up any leftovers that's in the fridge. Aspen's gonna have leftover noodles. And I'm gonna have a leftover taco that I'm gonna make into a wrap. All right, let's do it. I decided to make black bean brownies with the leftover black beans that we had for taco night the night before and also that I used in my wrap today. Okay, let's try this black bean brownie recipe. It's okay. I was supposed to ski tonight, but we melted snow all day, so it's pure ice out there. So I'm going to hot yoga with a friend. I haven't done that for a couple years. All I remember is when Terroir Nutrition and I, go check out her YouTube channel, used to do it. We both have low blood pressure, so we get all dizzy. In order to combat that, I like to have something a bit salty before I go. I'm not super hungry right now, but if I don't have salt, I see stars and I'm doing yoga. Trail mix, so with some salted nuts. Just gonna pack it in a little bag. So I got my little baggie all packed up. I hope you enjoyed watching what I eat today. I know it's not super exciting, anything extravagant, but that's my life. Like I said, I cook easy family meals because that's all I got time for. So hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.